What's up, Dave?
Oh boy, it's hot out here.
Oh, tell me about it. I was here on Bush Street.
Yeah, Billy told me.
Yeah, because I don't know if Billy told you about the stop train right there, so.
Does it have a crew on it?
I don't know. That's why I came over here to find out. I don't know. That's what I'm trying to find out.
Look at that turn.
Oh my God! Wait. Hey, look at this another one. Oh wait, look at that CSX truck.
Is that the crew going up there?
I guess. I don't know.
The CSX trucks just went up.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm guessing. That's why I came over here. It's like because James and Henry's over at Bush Street. I was in over there too.
Oh, good thing I didn't go there.
So I was telling them, like, let me try to come over here and find out. So I don't know what's going on with this train. So I was sitting at St. Dennis, and I heard this was like 410. Like, wait, what? I was like, wait a minute, what is 410 now? I thought we were like way past in New Jersey and New York by now.
I wonder if it had flooding in the tunnel last night.
I don't know, to be honest. The only thing I know is I just heard 410 crew went on 200 train.
Oh.
So like, wait a minute, was everything right?
Yeah, so that didn't even have a crew.
Yeah.
That truck right there might be their crew.
Possibility, I don't know. Yeah, because James and I and Edwards have figured out, oh, you guys could be over here or not. So, yeah, I mean, I want to show you guys to be over here.
We're actually on our way to the museum.
Oh, yeah?
And we figure we'll catch this coming out in the meantime.
Yeah. Yeah, I was surprised. I was just like, yeah, when I was figuring out, like, all day. So the time I went to Bush Street to here, I was like, what's it, let me come over here anyway, just in case. I wasn't sure, so like.
It's too hot outside for this, so.
Oh, tell me about it. Right now, my truck is reading 83 degrees. You feel like a lot more. Feel like the 90s right now.
Yeah, it is hotter than that, I think.
What's going on, Derek?
He thinks 410 is moving.
Already?
Yeah.
You may have a crew?
What?
You may have a crew. I don't think. I thought. Sorry, I'm out of week. I've been up since 1:30. I still saw a crew, a CSX van truck go over there.
Did you see the CSX truck go up?
No.
Yeah, it just went up.
Well,
Who said it's moving?
Billy.
Oh.
He texted me.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe it is then. I'm going to take my camera up there.
He said he thinks it's moving.
Okay. I'm going to head up to the gate.
Alright, yeah, I'll probably head back to Bush Street. Go back. Dave, Derek, and Billy's here now, looking at the 410. I did see a CSX truck go by to 410. They might have a crew on it. Billy, Derek, and Dave is here at where the 410 is. I did see a CSX truck going to 410, so it might be on the way out. Yep.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on Waterview Avenue.
I don't know. I mean, make it back to Bush Street.